Now, this video is specially made for toddler seat owners, as in this video I have listed top 3 best toddler bike seats in the market. Plus, I have made this list with full of custom-fit bike seats after performing research, which is based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, and other features of bike seats. And for your convenience, I have given the link in the description so that you can quickly check out the seats. Furthermore, I have ranked them according to usability and compatibility with toddler seat, so that you can choose them according to your requirement. Number 1. At a very decent price, the Bikeseat Pepe is a quality seat that offers a comfortable ride. With tons of ventilation, high sideboards for better containment, and variable footrest height adjustment, the Pepe is both comfy and safe for your toddler. We also appreciate the 2 depth settings in the center of the seat that allows you to get the buckle closer to the crotch of really petite or young riders for a more snug fit. This does help compensate some for the standard nylon shoulder straps that are likely to slide down. The Pepe has 3 shoulder height slots, which is more than the much higher-priced Thule Yep Maxi. Number 2. If you know that your bike doesn't work with a frame-mounted seat and you need a rack-mounted seat, the Toddler bikeseat 2 is a simple choice. It's the only seat we know of that actually comes with a rack. With all the racks on the market, it can be confusing to find a rack that will work with your child bike seat. Toddler takes that frustration factor out of the equation. The bikeseat 2 is also unique because it attaches to the rack via a proprietary mounting system that simply clicks into place and is much faster to mount and unmount than other rack-mounted seats. Number 3. The Thule Ride-Along is the luxury vehicle of child bike seats. High quality, durable, and built with the best components. Its harness is by far the best of any child bike seat on the market, with super comfy, padded shoulder straps that actually stay in place. The shoulder straps have sliding height adjustments so that whether your child is 1-year-old or 5 years old, it's easy to get an exact, secure, and comfortable fit. Our favorite feature is the Ride-Along's 5 different reclining positions that are super easy to adjust on the fly to the preferred napping position of your toddler. It also features the dual-beam suspension system to minimize bumps in the road and maximize comfort. The unique low saddle adapter allows the ride-along to fit on smaller bikes on which the saddle would normally prevent the seat from mounting safely. Thank you for watching, guys. The buying link is given in the description below, so that you can check them on the Amazon.com and choose them accordingly, so that it from this video, and I hope you like this video on Best Toddler Bike Seat, and if this video is helpful to you, please give us like, comment, and subscribe.